Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gummy bears with soda. First, gather your ingredients. 1/2 cup of your favorite soda, 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, and a sweetener such as 2 tablespoons of sugar. You'll also need a small saucepan and a gummy bear mold. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started with the first step. Now pour your 1/2 cup of soda into the saucepan. Next, sprinkle the 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin evenly over the cold soda. Let it sit for about 5 minutes to bloom. Then, place the saucepan over low heat, stirring constantly until the gelatin completely dissolves. Be careful not to boil the mixture, just warm it gently. Once the gelatin is dissolved, remove the saucepan from the heat. Stir in your 2 tablespoons of sugar or other sweetener until it's fully incorporated. If you want colorful gummies, now is the time to add a few drops of food coloring. Finally, carefully pour the warm liquid into your gummy bear molds. A dropper can help with precision. Place the filled gummy bear molds into the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or until they are completely firm. Once set, gently pop the delicious gummy bears out of their molds. They are now ready to enjoy. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy snacking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.